This is a 2-bed 2-bath located in the LYNNMOUR apartments at 1550 Oxford Street. Starting at the entrance, there is a spacious walk-in closet on the immediate right. Next to the walk-in closet is a bifolding door closet that houses a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. On the immediate left is the kitchen. The U-shaped kitchen with a peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. Across from the kitchen is the first bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features a large glass window with rolling shades on the back wall. To the right, there is a glass door with a rolling shade that leads onto the balcony. Leftwards of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back right wall. Directly ahead of the primary bedroom doorway is a double bifolding door closet. On the left is the ensuite bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower. The vanity features 2 cupboards and 2 drawers below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Rightwards of the living room is the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a large glass window with a rolling shade on the back left wall. On the right, there is a bifolding door closet.